Madhav. I am from first grade. My topic is volcanic eruption. A volcano is an opening through the crust that allows hot and molten rock, ice and gases to escape from below it. Molten rocks are called magma. Coherent lava comes out in melta from to the surface of the earth. In some cases, the lava might just flow out gently. Sometimes it is very violent. This causes destruction around the area. Thank you. From studying grade 2. Today my topic is water cycle. The water cycle is the process of water moving around between the air and land. There are four main parts of the water cycle: evaporation, convection, precipitation and collection. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or the lakes or the ocean, turns it into vapor or steam. Thank you all. Hi, good morning. Myself Namira Khanam. I am from grade 2. Today my topic is producing electricity by rotating wind turbines. Wind turbines work on a simple principle. Instead of using electricity to make wind like a fan, wind turbines use wind to make electricity. Wind turns the propeller like blades of a spins a generator which creates electricity. Thank you all. Have a nice. Hello, good morning. All myself Madhya Fatima. I am studying third grade from the Royal Education Academy, Savno. Today my topic is source of water. Water source refers to water bodies such as rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, sea that provide water to public drinking water supplies and private wells. Water sources include surface water, for example, lake, river; groundwater, for example, aquifer; recycled water, also reused water. Thank you for visiting.
Hello, good morning. I am Zaya, studying in grade 5 from Royal Education Academy, Savannah. Today my topic is solar system. Our solar system consists of our star, the sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Hello, good morning. I am Shazari, studying in grade 5 from Royal Education Academy, Sono. The vast majority, 99.86% of the system's mass is in the sun, with most of the remaining mass contained in the planet Jupiter.
The four inner system planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are terrestrial planets being composed primarily of rock and metal.
The four giant planets of the outer system are substantially larger and more massive than the terrestrials.
The two largest, Jupiter and Saturn, are gas giants being composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. The next two, Uranus and Neptune, are ice giants,
being composed mostly of volatile substances with relatively high melting point.
Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
Morning. Hello, good morning. I am Hazrat Ali, studying grade 5. Today my topic is blood circulation at heart. Our heart is roughly the size of fist and sit in the middle of chest. These blood send oxygen and nutrient to all parts of our body. The heart has two features that keep our blood flowing in right direction. These are chamber and valve. Chamber fill with blood, then squeeze to pump blood out. Thank you.
Hello, I am studying in grade 5. Our heart is four chambers. Each side of the heart has an anti-chamber ventricle. This pump after to others to keep the flowing around. The familiar lup-tup sound of the heart is caused by the rhythmic heart valves pumped in and out of the chambers.
Hello ma'am, good morning. My name is Afir Ahmed. I am from 6th grade. My topic is respiratory system.
Human excretory system includes two organs that facilitates the removal of nitrogenous waste from body. Our body contains two kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The functions of excretory system is to remove waste from our body. These waste includes water, CO2, nitrogen. CO2 means carbon dioxide, salt, and heat. The another name of excretory system is urinary or renal system. Thank you.
I am studying in grade 6. My topic is animal habitats of sun. These are animal habitats: snow, desert, forest, aquatic. Snow habitat are located at the top and the very bottom of the earth. They are widely have a lot of ice. Desert are places that don't get much rain and they are very dry. Forest will be provides to place live variety of animals and plants. Aquatic, the animals that live in water bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds, and ocean are aquatic habitat. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Myself, Vibhyati Kadur. I am studying in 7th grade. As the mega talent show has been conducted in our school, the Royal Education Academy Sound, respected class teacher as well as subject teacher has given a great opportunity to express my talent. I am in science exhibition. Our model is food pyramid and my topic is vitamin. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients required by body to carry out normal rest function. However, these micronutrients are not produced in our body and must be divided from food. Vitamins have different job, helps to keep our body working properly, reduce anxiety, improve short-term memory, maintain muscle strength. Thank you.
My name is Ashwar and I am studying in 7th grade. My topic is fats. In nutrients, biology and chemistry, fat usually means any instance of fatty acid or a mixture of such compound, most commonly those that occurs in living beings. This is fats. Ghee, avocados, fish, eggs, dairy, curd, presents oil, nuts and seeds, coconut. Thank you.
Explain.
Good afternoon. Good morning. My name is Aditya Patel. I am studying in 7th and as the mega talent show is being conducted in Royal School, I get an opportunity to express my talent.
My name is Sainath Tharkar. I am studying in 7th grade.
My name is Sidhu Kumar. I am studying in 7th grade. Our topic is electric current and Royal Zoo. If the motor will start to produce 12 by electricity. This 12 goes to battery and battery will be charged. How to know it is charging? In this motor rotation, the LED light must be on, then we will know that it is charging.
We can charge with solar panel also. After charging the battery, we get DC current to AC current. This is the DC current convert into AC current, and this is battery, and this is home. When the current gone, we will on this inverter. In this inverter, we can blow bulb and mobile laptop will be charged. See?
We get full electricity. This is known as electric generate machine. We got the electric current model and get in a motor 12 volt DC to 220 volt 150 watt AC current. Thank you.
And this is Royal Zoo. Our Earth has varieties of animals. We see some animals around our home, while we see only in the zoo or in the forest. Let's see difference between them.
Wild animals. Most animals live by themselves. In nature, they can find their food to eat in a natural surroundings such as caves, trees, and water. Such animals are called wild. Example: tiger, leopard, elephant, deer, brontosaurus, stegosaurus, etc.
Domestic animals. Domestic animals. Human beings have brought some animals from their natural surroundings and kept them in their homes. Such animals are called domestic animals. For example, camel, goat, cow, sheep, cat and dog, etc. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Saida Kosar. I am studying in 7th grade. As the mega talent show has been conducted in our school, the Royal Education Academy Sound, respected class teacher as well as subject teacher Nahid Pam has given me great opportunity to express my talent. I am in science exhibition and my model is skeleton system. The skeleton system work as a support structure of our body. It's give body its shape, allow movement, make blood cells, provide protection for organs of stored minerals. The skeleton system is also called musculoskeletal system. Thank you. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Myself Aisha Bankapur from 8th grade. Here I am doing a science exhibition on the topic of drip irrigation. In this system, the water falls drop by drop directly to roots, so it's called drip irrigation. Drip irrigation reduces water contact with leaves, stems, crops, and fruits and vegetables. The drip irrigation, the importance of drip irrigation is the most effective way to watering a plants and keeping them getting spread by forcefully sprinkle. So each plants look very beautiful and pretty. Drip irrigation have some categories also. In that number one, lower high level of essentials, lower energy cost pumping, and lower better weed control. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, I am Azra Fatima from 8th grade studying in the Royal Education Academy. I have took part in this science exhibition and my topic is precautionary measures against COVID-19. Precautionary measures means intent to prevent something dangerous. Here I am going to tell some steps to prevent COVID-19. Number 1, avoid physical interaction. Physical interaction like handshakes and going closer to anyone. Number 2, maintaining social distance. Distance for about 2 meters to 6 feet. Number 3, wearing mask regularly. Cover your nose and mouth. Number 4, washing and sanitizing your hands regularly. Some other methods are avoid eating junk food, using disposable syringes, industrial waste management, recycling medical waste, etc. Each and every person should take their COVID vaccination compulsorily. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon. Myself Farhana from 9th grade, the Royal Education Academy School, Sanur. I am very thankful to my science subject teacher for giving me such an opportunity to do exhibition in this mega talent show. And my model is of climate change. Climate change is global phenomenon of climate transformation characterized by usual climate of the planets that are especially caused by human activities. Humans are responsible for climate change largely due to greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun and it passes through Earth's atmosphere. There are some natural greenhouse gases such as water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxides. The three largest greenhouse gases are methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide. Burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas can produce carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Most of the electricity is still produced from fossil fuels. If we can't protect our nature, we can't protect ourselves. Climate change is real. It's happening right now. It's facing our entire species. And we have to work collectively together and stop procrastinating. Thank you.
Hello, good morning sir. I am Naya Padma Naik from 9th grade. As a science subject teacher, Naik ma'am had given me the great opportunity and ma'am had selected me in science exhibition. So thank you so much ma'am. My science working model is Save Our Mother Earth. As we all know that Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. Earth provides us water, air, oil, etc. Air pollution, water pollution and land degradation on Earth is a big threat of life on Earth. We should save our Earth so that our future should go in a safe environment. We should save our Earth by saving trees, natural vegetation, natural resources, electricity, water, etc. I will give some example to save our Mother Earth. Keeping our surrounding neat and clean, planting more trees, conserve water and water bodies, educate people should know about the significance of conserving nature. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone, myself Yasmin, we are from 10th standard.
Good morning everyone, myself Shavita. I would like to thank the subject teacher who has given us a great opportunity to express our talent in this mega talent show. So our science model is structure of human body, so let's start with this.
So let's start. Human body. Human body is made up of single structure and billions of cells, organs and tissues. Then next is nerves. Nerves are like cables. It works electrical impulse and it helps to your body and also your for brain. And there are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerve and relay nerve. They help to pass a message to brain and also your brain and spinal cord.
There are about 600 muscles in the human body. The three main types of muscles include skeletal, smooth and cardiac. The brain, nerves and skeletal muscles work together to cause movement. This is collectively known as neuromuscular system.
Then next is ribcage. Ribcage consists 24 ribs. It attached to a backbone which is known as a sternum.
Next is liver. Liver is our largest internal organ, about the size of a football. It's located upon mainly in the right side of our abdomen, beneath the diaphragm and above our stomach. It sits just under our ribcage on the right side of the abdomen.
Then next is stomach. Stomach is a very important organ to human body. It digests our food. Also it digests a raw material. It is in the shape of J shape. It consists strongest acid called hydrochloric acid. Next is heart. Heart is very important organ. It consists 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers is known as a atrium and lower chambers is known as ventricle. Then
Next is facial. A facial includes 14 facial bones with specific anatomical landmarks and embryological development. These bones include paired inferior nasal concave, nasal bones and zygomatic bones, as well as the unpaired mandible and bone.
Then is backbone. Backbone is a very important bone to a human body. It helps to sit, stand, bend and to move one place from another place. Then
Next is brain. Our brain controls our temperature, breathing, hunger and motor states, as well as which regulates our body. The brain divided into 3 main types: forebrain, midbrain and the hipbrain. Thank you. Intestine, a long tube-like organ that connects the stomach and the large intestine. It is about 20 feet long and fold many times to fit inside our abdomen. It helps further digest food coming from the stomach.
Then next is large intestine. Large intestine is attached to a small intestine. It absorbs water, salt and also it remains raw material which will pass from small intestine to large intestine, and the raw material will pass large intestine to anus. Hope you understand this better. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Tasmi Adur and we are from 10th standard.
Good morning, I am Zia from 10th standard. I would like to welcome you all for this mega talent event, and I'd like to thank my class teacher who gave us such opportunity to express our talent in mega event. Our experiment is of testing hydrogen gas by burning.
So now we are adding the zinc granules here. You can see the reaction here.
The hydrogen gas is evolving. This is the reaction of Zn plus H2SO4. It will give ZnO plus H2. Means H2 hydrogen gas is evolving.
You can see the experiment here. This is how it looks. So this is how our experiment looks. Our experiment is about the reaction of zinc granules with sulfuric acid and by testing hydrogen by burning. Now I will show the requirements. This is the beaker, this is the delivery tube and this is the cord, this is the test tube, this is the stand, sulfuric acid and this is the hydrochloric acid. These are the zinc granules and these are the droppers. And so
we have taken zinc granules metal because zinc comes in the middle of the reactivity series. If we have taken the topmost reactive elements like potassium and sodium, then they will burn vigorously with open air. So it is inappropriate for students. If you see potassium and sodium, they are immersed in kerosene. They are kept immersed in kerosene. And now we will add some sulfuric acid.
you can see the reaction here.
And these are the zinc granules that we are adding.